What's up, guys? AK Crazy Russian with DCCTRAIN. Today I'm back to my broadcasts. It was just very tough time with all stuff going on here, but we're good. So I long time ago I tried to do it and show you more like details about new Digitrax DCS 52. Love it. Great command station. I like the Zephyrs in general. I like the old one, and this is more advanced because it has display. Don't worry about that flickering thing because it's a matrix kind of LED on the display. I never opened it yet, but it's just a couple of different LEDs probably on the board, and again my guess, but the frequency just camera catching it like that, so don't worry about it. Display absolutely great. I really like it. Very informative. Now I show you before how I connect phone with any in this case it's Android phone, okay, with LNWI server. And for example, in this case I'm going to use ESU Mobil control too. All right, with a different version of the phone, so it's always acting sometimes different, but I saw a lot of presentations. Again, it depends on the model of your phone specifically, because you have to disconnect wireless cellular data. So I turn off, it's on in Verizon, so I turn it off completely. All right, because if it's, again, I don't know the theory behind it, something blocking Wi-Fi connecting to that device, or probably any other wireless networks. I think I have the same issue with the Roku Z21. But anyway, show you real quick, short presentation, how's everything working. So when you first time turn it on, means you connect power supply and a network cable here to the LoConnect to Zephyr. All right, so you don't need computer. This is your server. You're connecting directly from those two devices right here. Okay, then in your settings you going to your networks and connecting to, I'm sorry, it's maybe not clearly, you see it, it's in the manual, it's not really big deal, to that unit, Digitrax server. All right, which is this unit. Same thing with Mobil control too. Now then, before, for some reason, so if you're going to exit, I'll show you. Yes, I'm sorry, it's upside down. So before, it was that app for that specific phone, it was detected automatically. So you will see that server in here. All right, available servers. But after, again, couple of updates, I'm not seeing it at all. So first time you might put address manually, and default address is 192.168.7.1 directly. So you can connect up to 8 units LNWI, okay, 8, and you can connect 4 phones, tablets, those guys, name it, to one of the units. So theoretically, I don't have 32 devices to try, but theoretically should be 32 devices connected to one. It will probably will be sluggish, but again, it just my 10 cents. So one more time, very important. If you're using phone, you have to disconnect your cellular data. Otherwise, you cannot connect to that. Okay, so I already selected once manually. Want to remember it, you just select it like that. All right. Then I strongly recommend, if you're not using, and we'll go over a little bit later, if you're not using that specific address, I will probably leave it to different, put some different address. All right, so it's not like asking who else going to use it. Try to explain, but yeah, ESU recommending always, if you're using on ECOS, like clear display, because it will be like feedback between throttle and command station. All right, so now we're good to go. I can select address from here, address 3, default for that locomotive, and I can fully use my knob. All those two buttons, those actually for acceleration, deceleration, and those for directions. See, now it's easy, will be I just turn the lights on. See, engine lights on, and now I can let's put like 6 also for the ditch lights. All right, my fingers a little bit after a lot of street fighting. Yeah, so I'm changing directions. You can see the lights changing as well. Okay, and same thing I can do with the knob. All right, and let's run it. By the way, this is exactly momentary function even here. See? Okay. Again, I can use those two buttons. You will see knob moved on 2. Speed step 2, and it's running slow. Okay, we're going opposite. Put speed step 1. The effect of full throttle I will demonstrate you in a second. We're hitting F9, and I can do RPM. You will see the red flashing here. It's like a signal, just indicates the signal going from this unit to, yeah, it's full throttle, and the engine like moving very, very slow still. Okay, changing direction with the knob, just going to the left. You will see click, it has a motor, so it turns back, and then you applying your speed. We in the reverse. Sorry, again, here we go. Sorry guys, I'm doing it upside down, kind of upside down. Same effect. I just love it. Doing with, or I can use, see, same thing. Ooh, 100. Now I need to press F9. It stops. Just going backward, reverse a little bit. Okay. Cool. Now, if I'm going to use, somebody try to use the same address, I need to select locomotive. So you hit select, you hit 3, and that's the message will pop up. Do you want to steal it? And if it's somebody else and you're in running session, you definitely say no. But we'll do it here and watch for this screen. Yes. And this turns to kind of gray out. Yeah, I have no, I need to select it again. Select it. So if I select it here, 3, steal it, yes. Boom, that turns gray out. Now, watch this, guys. That's important. If I'm going to steal from here, yeah, it's under address 1. If I'm going to select locomotive, hit 3, enter, watch this screen. For a second, yeah, so it's also asking me, do you want to steal it here? Yes. And this screen grays out, so I cannot do anything with those devices right now. I'm controlling main from here. Reverse, and we just show the message. Sonic the head dog, my man. Yeah, you can troll me all day long. It's the message will stay, and I'm not banning anybody. So you hear, my man, Sonic. So that's pretty much it, guys. Let's move it forward a little bit. Hey Napoleon, what's up, my man? You in English on English channel, bro? Yo, guys, that's it. So again, I'll show you how to, if I wanna use this, both of those throttles, select 3, yes, and now nothing. It's the same effect, so it clears completely, and just going to that throttle, or here 3, yes. There you go. Well, that will be all for today. I'll do live installation on DCCTRAIN LLC channel. For right now, we cool. If you guys have more questions about that setup with F8, I'm turning it off. I'm glad to answer. Okay? Have a good one. I'll see you soon. DCCTRAIN LLC. Bye bye.